Reel me in to get it going, open me up. Sweet talking like you mean it, but you're making it so complicated. I f***ing hate it. Every time I get too close, you push me away. Don't wanna stick, telling me you don't want any obligations, and how you hate them. Don't call me just 'cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly. Maybe I'm yours, maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much, and every single thought is making me. Give me something straight from your heart. All this insecurity is tearing me apart. You're making me sleepless. You're making me sleepless. Yeah. I keep losing in this game of playing pretend. I don't wanna be a 4 a.m. I'm suffocating just by waiting on you. So don't call me just 'cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly. Nah, maybe I'm yours, maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much, and every single thought is making me. Give me something straight from your heart. All this insecurity is tearing me apart. You're making me sleepless.
Hello everyone, we're here in the southwest area of Las Vegas. This is one of the newest communities of KB Homes, and we are touring a house which has a first floor bedroom, so I'm pretty excited. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video before we proceed, and also check out the channel page for more home tours related to the different builders that I toured so far, including KB Homes. And also write your comments after watching this video. This southwest area is booming. It's near the casinos, lots of restaurants around, and you can easily access the freeway going to the strip. So I'm pretty excited about this community, guys. It's gated and very low HOA fee of $51 a month. Okay, so let's tour this home together. Okay guys, this is the home. You have this 2-car garage there, and this is the front of the house. Currently their garage is being used as an office, right? So this is the community. As you can see, guys, that is the South Point Hotel. So that's very near here, and this is near the freeway, so easy access to the freeway going to the Las Vegas Strip. Let's check out this beautiful home here. Nice stonework. Okay, this is the plan 2469. Okay, so upon entering the house, you have that open area there, and you have the stairs railing there. This is the garage, right, which is currently closed. And then you have let's see what's in here. It's a coat closet, very convenient. When you're entering the house, you can put your coat there. And by the way, guys, the HOA is $51 per month. There is no seed and there's no lead. These are the options displayed on this model, so that you have an idea of what they are. If you want, you can screenshot them, right, so that you have an idea of what were upgraded on this model home. Okay, I think we're ready to go to the main living area, but before we go there, guys, I wanted to explain something here. So currently there is an office by the center here, but you can definitely convert this into a bedroom, and this could be your 5th bedroom. There is a closet here, right, so you can use this as your bedroom for the first floor. Currently it is being used as a sales office, but you can definitely convert that into a first floor bedroom. So this is currently a half bathroom, but the agent told me that they can extend it all the way there. There's a space to make it a full bathroom with a shower. so that this will be your first floor full bathroom for your first floor bedroom. So that's really nice. Yeah, so this is the closet that they can extend it all the way here to make it a first full bathroom for your first floor. Before we go up, let's check out your main living area. Very spacious, guys. This has a lot of natural light coming inside because of those huge doors and triple windows. Okay, they use this very nice quartz, right? They didn't use the backsplash, but you can definitely use a lot of different style of backsplash to make it more interesting. Look at the grains of this island. This is a very long island, guys. And this is your shaker. I believe this is 42 inches. Let's see if it is soft closing. It is not, but you can definitely upgrade to a soft closing. This is a pretty nice microwave here. This is definitely vent, right? Okay. Let me span it from this side of the kitchen so that you can see how it looks like. Okay, they used this very elegant faucet here. Okay, I have a question, guys. Would you do like 2 sinks or just one large sink? I just wanted to know what people like nowadays. Okay, let's check out your pantry area here. Okay, pretty good size. You have a pretty walkable pantry area. This is a nice refrigerator here. I'm just curious how it looks like. Okay, so there's a lot of items that you can put there. And this is how it looks like when you're at the door of your pantry. Okay. This is your dining area here. It's a very easy layout. Everyone can talk to each other. You can talk to the people that are watching TV there, and then to the people that are cooking. See how there are 4 bar stools that fit in here very easily, because this is how big it is. It's very long. Okay, let's go on this side so that you can see how it looks like, right, when you're on the very corner of your living room area. This is a very spacious living room, dining, and kitchen area. Let's take a look at your backyard. Okay, so this is a very small lot, guys. This is not a pool size, but you can definitely upgrade this to a much larger lot. The largest that I've asked so far is $25,000, but for this lot, this is worth $2,000 only. So if you're looking for small lots with easy maintenance, this is definitely the backyard for you. You don't have to do a lot of things here, and it's only $2,000 as far as I've heard for this size of a lot. Okay, let's go inside and check out your second floor area there. These are really nice railing here, guys, so you can definitely make this happen also. And then I highly suggest, if you are to do the stairs, hardwood stairs is really awesome. It will make your life easier when cleaning, and also it looks cleaner and brighter. Okay, wow, this is a big one. Okay, you have a loft area here. This is very spacious, guys. You can definitely have your kids do their homework here, or you can have a separate TV area here. Or you can definitely have it as an office. Let's check out your secondary bedroom. Okay, very spacious. This one has a walk-in closet for the lady or for the girl, your baby girl. Okay, let's check out the other bedrooms there, but before that, I'm seeing the full bathroom here. So guys, right, they have used this quartz, and then the cabinetry darker. This might be a tile. Yeah. Okay, this is pretty standard, but the window is an optional window so that you can have more light in here. Pretty standard, except for the window. Okay, there is a very spacious bedroom here. This is just secondary, guys, I believe, but it's very spacious. You have 2 windows there. This is a very spacious one. You can probably fit like king-size bed in here. And then you have a walk-in closet, very generous size. Love it. I love the generosity of the space here. And there is another one. So there are 3 bedrooms, secondary bedrooms downstairs. Here's the other one, definitely a boys' room because of the basketball there. Okay, I'm gonna try shooting for the lock. All right, so that's awesome. I was able to dunk it very easily. All right, isn't it nice that your kid will have this kind of bedroom? Very sports related. Okay, oh, there's a lot of stickers here. Comment down below, guys, if you are a fan of any of these themes, right? Which one is your fan here? Meaning your team. Love to know. Okay, this is really a very fun room, and that is your standard closet there. Yeah, this is a very fun room for the boys. Okay, 3 bedrooms upstairs with a loft area, and then the 4th bedroom is your primary bedroom. You know, I always tell that this configuration is so good because you have the loft area separating all the secondary bedrooms there from your main primary bedroom here. So this can technically have 4 bedrooms upstairs and then 1 bedroom downstairs. Right? So total of 5. This is going to be good for a big family. This is your laundry area. I would highly recommend doing an insulated door and walls here because it's near your primary bedroom. And then you have a linen closet here. Okay, you have a double door entering your primary bedroom. This is a very spacious primary bedroom here, guys. This is massive. Those windows are massive too. And then they've used an element of wood design here. You know, it's very simple, but it's makes much more impactful if you use some elements of wall design. And then you can watch your TV there. This is a very spacious one. Right. Yeah, you still have some space here. And look at the how large those nightstands are. That's why this is very spacious. Okay. Hello guys. Let's check out your... This is a very spacious walk-in closet. Definitely I'm gonna have you spend more money, guys, by upgrading this into nice cabinetry with drawers underneath and with a LED lighting, right? Okay, very spacious. Welcome to your primary bathroom. Very, very spacious. You have your combo bathtub there, right? And then you have a huge window here for your bathtub overlooking the beautiful mountains there. And then you have shower here, which is highly recommend if you can do it, have a rain shower there for easy use by tall people. You have double sink. Hello guys. And they use this quartz, really nice shape of the sink. And also this faucet for some reason is kind of gorgeous, right? And this is your water closet. Yes, it is. Okay, pretty easy layout and still very functional because you were able to use the bathtub there, meaning you have a bathtub and a shower as well. Okay, let's go back to the main living area. Comment down below, guys, what do you think of this home? I wanted to get some feedback from you guys so that we can see if this is something you're looking for. This is definitely ideal for those that has a lot of kids, and also they have family members that can no longer go up, so definitely very, very ideal. Comment down below, guys, what do you think of this home? Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe down below also. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your help and have an amazing day today.